What's up everybody, this is Yair and today we are going to draw Ken Kaneki from Tokyo Ghoul. Okay, so today we are going to draw Ken Kaneki. As you can see, I started by drawing a perfect square. Each side is 6 centimeters. For this tutorial, all you need is an HB2 pencil and a black color pencil. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we are going to start by drawing the shape of Ken's face. Next, we're going to use these guidelines to help us draw the eyes. So we are going to start with the right eye. As you can see, I'm drawing it by using 4 lines and then I'm adding thickness to create those eyelashes. We'll add the eyelid above and the eyebrow by using curves. We'll add some wrinkles around the eye to get that intense look. And we are going to do the same process for the left side. Awesome, next we're going to draw the iris and the pupil. And for his Ghoul Eye, we'll make the iris much bigger. And we'll draw some lines around. Awesome, next we're going to draw the nose. We'll do that by using 2 curves and then draw the nostrils. As you can see, I'm using the square as a guideline to draw the nose right at the center. Next, we'll refine the face a bit. And then we're going to draw the mouth. We'll give him that crazy smile. Indicate the bottom lip. And then we are going to draw the ears. Now we don't need to draw the entire ear because the hair will cover it later on. So we'll first start with the shape of the ear. Next we'll add the details inside. Awesome, and now we'll draw the neck by using 2 curves and 2 lines for the neck muscles. Next, we're going to give Ken a cool looking afro, and this afro, this guideline as a matter of fact, will help us draw Ken's hair with the right symmetry. And now all we have to do is draw the locks of hair by using curves, 2 lines for each lock of hair, covering the eyes a bit. And of course, draw the hair behind the head as well. Next, we'll add some curves to refine it, to add more detail. And get rid of all the guidelines. Awesome, so now we are going to draw Ken's collar. As you can see, it goes around the neck, and we'll add some creases. and get rid of the unnecessary lines. We'll add some tears to the shirt. As you can see, I'm doing it by using 2 to 3 lines, making them sharp. And we are done with the sketching process. So now you're going to take your black color pencil, make sure to sharpen it, because we're about to go all over the lines. This process is called the inking process. As you can see, I'm rotating the page using my NHM natural hand movement. I'm holding the pencil closer to the tip with a firm grip and just go all over the lines by pushing or by pulling lines. We'll add some lines on Ken's face. And then we'll snap some fingers and move on to the next stage. So now we are going to start the shading process. For that, I'm gonna mark all the shaded areas. This process is called cell shading. And for this drawing, the main light source will come from the right side, which means that the left side will appear darker. Awesome, next we're going to grab the HB2 pencil and we'll start the shading process. As you can see, I'm coloring in the direction of the shape and I'm adding layers of lead. By adding more layers, I will get a darker tone. And by pressing harder on the pencil, I'll get an even darker tone. Next we'll shade the brighter tone of the hair, and as you can see, I'm not pressing as hard as before and I'm holding the pencil closer to the eraser. That way I can apply a minimum pressure and get a brighter tone. And of course you can rotate the page using your NHM. Next we'll add one more layer to the mid-tone, just because I want to create more contrast between the bright tone and the mid-tone. And finally, for those edges, we'll add more layers, pressing more on the pencil, and that way get an even darker tone. As you can see, I'm using the mechanical pencil, but you can use your HB2 pencil as well. I just don't like to sharpen the pencil all the time. Awesome, so this is the result we want to get. So we are going to do the same process for the face, starting with the brightest tone, then going to the mid-tone, and finally the darkest tone. And of course, make sure to shade in the direction of the shape. Awesome, next we're going to shade Ken's shirt. We'll do that by using the black color pencil, fill in all the shaded areas we marked before. And then we'll grab the HB2 pencil and fill up the remaining areas. Next, we'll do some adjustments. And now we'll move on to the Ghoul Eye. So if you guys want to make the drawing a bit more interesting, you can grab a red color pencil, color the iris in the direction of the shape with circles. Next, we'll use the black color pencil again. And now, we'll add some blood all around the face. That way we can get that horrific, bloody look. And we are done! Everybody, this is how you draw Ken Kaneki from Tokyo Ghoul. Please let me know how you did in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this tutorial, and make sure to like this video and subscribe if you're new. I upload new videos every week. That's it for today. Keep being awesome as always, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.